So here we go. Let's see what we got here. Pretty bad. It's pretty bad about the lawn here. Let's see how bad the back is. Whew, sheesh. Jesus. Oh man. Hey! Oh. Oh man, pretty bad. Well, not too bad though. So I'll teach you how to kind of with this nasty grass here like this. I'll teach y'all how to kind of push it to the center of the yard and mow over it and keep it off of the sidewalks and out of the street with your side discharge. I mean, to me it kind of handles things a lot better than it does just kind of trying to blow it and stuff. Yeah, this is pretty thick. I'm using my my YBravo zone start or eBravo zone start. All right. All right, here we go. So the back was real tough. It had those real gummy weeds in it. And but got the front looking pretty nice. The back is just full of those gummy weeds. They're just really wet. They like turn into mud. The grass clippings do. And it's just they're like mud. They turn into dirt like right away, but then it's, see, I had to rinse it out because it kept sticking on the inside of my mower. But yeah, it was all over there. All right.